Welcome parents and community members. This is a quick video showing you what an e-learning site will look like to students at Fort Recovery Public Schools. This is a Google Classroom site. It has different classes for my son. He's a third grade student, but I'm going to show you my fourth grade math e-learning site that fourth grade students will use. So, and all the sites will be different with different activities. When students click on to my fourth grade e-learning site, it's going to look slightly different to every class. Over here will be upcoming assignments. You can click view all to see them, and this is where it'd be the best place to see grades. But the classwork tab will be the most useful. Within the classwork tab, you'll have various assignments, various due dates. In my March 19th tab, I made a welcome video welcoming the students, and the students can play. And
Students, welcome to our e-learning days. I hope these lessons prove to be worthwhile.
So they'll be able to listen to my welcome video, and then I have a quick lesson reviewing area and perimeter. And as we move through e-learning, we'll get into further learning, so they can watch a quick video.
Okay, this is a quick video on how to find area and perimeter. Fence around the outside, you'd find the perimeter of it. So,
and then they can quickly move on to starting their actual worksheet. And I've developed a worksheet here. Inside my worksheet, I have a link to that review video. And one thing I've developed with my worksheets is in some places, as they answer questions, well, with all my worksheets, I've developed some feedback. So if they get it correct, I'll mark if it's correct. If they get it wrong, some places will say hint. Other places, if they get it wrong, it'll say fix. And it'll give them some small feedback here, like it'll just say fix, and we don't need labels, just reminding them that on this section. So right here it says hint, and if they click on the hint, it'll pull up a video giving them a quick walk through these questions. So they can click on here, and it'll walk through, giving them a little extra support on those specific questions. So that's something probably pertaining only to my classroom, but just a little extra support that I'm able to provide for my students. And down here, this is just a challenge problem, and I just give them a little incentive here, just something silly for the kids. Like if they get this correct, they'll be rewarded Mr. Heitkamp's famous imaginary milkshake. Link will be provided for them to click to be able to receive it. But this is kind of what my e-learning sites will be like. These are scheduled to be released as they go through. And they'll get feedback throughout. As they finish an assignment, they will click to turn in once they're done with it, done with the assignments. So as they go through, so like once he's done with this, he'll click turn in, and if they accidentally turn it in incorrectly, they'll be able to get some response in it. And I'm requiring only about 25 minutes of actual work time on the lessons. I don't want students to be stuck on a math homework for about 5 hours because they're stuck on certain questions. So we'll be working together, and I'll be able to look in their Google Sheets to see how much time they're actually spending on it. So I'll be in contact with the students. So just a general overview of what an e-learning site will look like in my fourth grade math.